In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money with Agoda. We're going to see how you can use this popular website if you are, someone who is always looking to travel, or people are asking you like what's the best experience, where to book, for transportation, hotels, and all that stuff. So definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money with Agoda, which are the steps that you need to follow. Is actually in this video. If you're a person who is, you're the go-to person every single time people are asking you like, hey, what's the best destination? I'm looking, to book my next vacations. I want to know information about travel itineraries. Do you have any good experience in this place and so on? Definitely you are a person who have the option to earn money with Agoda. If this is the very first time you hear about this website, well, as I told you before, this website gives people the opportunity to, as they say, see the world for less. Okay, you can book hotels, homes, apartments. If you're looking, you're like a digital nomad, long-term stays, airport transportations, so even eSIMs, which are really popular nowadays because people don't want, to be having issues with the roaming, a lot of charges and all the stuff. And these websites has been around for some time right now, so people really know about it. You can, find literally everything that you need, including travel itineraries, and this is a worldwide recognized website. So it's really, I will say, simple to promote great experiences. So they have what we call their affiliate program. It's This is actually the page. They call it Agoda Partners, but if you scroll down, you're gonna see that they have a link. It's actually down here on the homepage. And so here are the things that you need to understand. Okay, each 200 booking, you're gonna have a commission of 5%. Okay, so literally you are going to be earning $10. Okay, so that's pretty standard because there are charges involved. These type of services, have a lot of charges, a lot of expenses. You are not going to do that. The only thing that you're going to be doing is that you're going to be recommending. So you can become an affiliate partner and start monetize your traffic. You can click here and you're going to have the information like you can become an affiliate. Agoda's generous commission rate get over better with more bookings. The more completed checkout booking you have each month, the higher the percentage for those bookings you get paid that month. Okay, they are going to give you free tools if you have like a website, if you have a blog. Okay, so you can have, all the tools that you actually need. They are totally free, and they have proof, according to them, to increase the traffic. The traffic is all the eyeballs that you're going to send to this website. Okay, for example, you're going to have hotel data files, you're going to have text links, you're going to have banners, you're going to have a search box. Okay, and you're going to earn more per booking. The more booking you have, the higher your commission is tiered. The calculator above give you an idea of how much monthly commissions you can make. Okay, so here you're gonna see, for example, like if you have less than 50 bookings, it's 4%. If you have between 50 and 299 bookings, it's 4.5%. And more than 299 bookings, that's 5%. Okay, what I told you before. Okay, it's easy to integrate. You don't have any kind of tech knowledge, no problem. They have everything up and running. Something really important is it's multilingual. So you're gonna have Agoda's the app, and promos in 38 languages. So you can speak directly to your audience. And just in case that you are wondering, like, Diana, okay, what if I just speak one language? That's it. Okay, nowadays with the I can tell you that you can speak as many languages as you want. So literally, you can type the information in your native language and it can be translated in a matter of minutes. You're also going to have total support by their team. So if you have questions and you know you need more information about their affiliate program, you have cover. They are going to be tracking everything, the earnings. You're going to have a free dashboard. In order to join, you're going to click here where it says sign up. Okay. And you're going to need to type your first name, last name, email address, a password, and you need to agree to the terms and condition with the affiliate agreement. Okay. So with that said, you're going to be good to go. Literally with that, you're going to be good to go. Now, how you can do this in a way that, you can get the most by promoting, this experience. Okay. So, uh, first, I'm pretty sure that you have your inner circle, your family, your friends, and all this stuff. So you can let them know, like, hey, use your referral link to book the accommodation and all this stuff. But also, you can use the social network like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and even you can start blogging. My recommendation is if you're going to use, well, you better use them. Don't send the traffic directly to Agoda. Okay, don't send the traffic directly to Agoda because if someone make the purchase, you're going to be super happy. But if they don't make a purchase, you're going to be super sad. The other thing is that you're going to have more opportunities to have more booking if you do something like a simple system in which you're going to be capturing their name and email. And I'm going to show you how that simple that's going to be. So literally, you're going to give a freebie, a lead magnet. I'm going to explain more about that in a moment. And they're going to give you your name, your last name. You're going to tell them here, like, hey, okay, if you're really serious about your booking, check this link. And this is actually Agoda. Okay. This is actually your link here with Agoda. And you can send them multiple emails. Okay, you can send them here multiple emails. The cool thing is that you can always refer them to here. You can talk about different experiences. You can talk about how important it is to have a travel insurance. You can even partner with another company so you can promote luggages because more than 80% of the companies do have an affiliate program. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also something really important, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So you're going to have more opportunities with this simple system rather than if you do it this way. Okay. Because this system is going to be literally working for you 24/7. And I can tell you that this is something that helped me replace not one, but two full-time jobs. Okay. So now, Diana, what is a lead magnet? It's something valuable that is going to be helping people. In this case, we're going to be on the travel niche. So you can literally go to DeepSeek, ChatGPT, or any other AI you like, and you can tell them like, hey, I'm looking to promote Agoda. Okay, it's all about travel. Or you can even ask ChatGPT, like, do you know anything about Agoda? By now, I'm pretty sure that it has, and you're going to tell them like, okay, I'm going to be an affiliate. What lead magnet can I give? And Agoda is going to tell you like, hey, you can do like a quick travel guide. You can do like a checklist of the things that people must have before they travel or while they're doing the planning, things like they need to take into consideration. You know, it's going to give you all the stuff. And actually you can put that information on Canva. You can go to canva.com and you can actually design an ebook, a PDF, and people are going to be really happy because sometimes, we are doing this research about our next destination. And if you give like tips and all the stuff, people are going to really appreciate. And since they are doing the research about, their next destination and you show them this website in which they can actually get more information about it, hey, you're going to have a full potential to earn money online. And also, you're going to have a database here of potential customers. So if they don't purchase right away, you can keep sending them information about their next destination, about special promos and all this stuff. So how do you actually build this? Well, I'm going to be leaving a link below to a tool that is called System.io. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing tool. And one of the cool things is that you can open literally a 100% free account. It's going to ask you just for your email and you're going to open your account. Once you have your account open, you're going to click here where it says sites and click here where it says sales funnels. Okay, here you're going to click here where it says create and you're going to put your name. Well, not actually your name, the name of the funnel. This is just for internal use. No one knows about this. Here, if you have a domain, which is the name.com, .net, so you're going to put it here and you're going to click here where it says build an audience. Then you're going to click here where it says save and you are going to notice that you have the two pages that you actually need. Okay, this is the opt-in page, which is it's actually this one. Okay, and this is the thank you page. Okay, you're going to put your affiliate link here and on every email. So that's actually something really important. One really cool thing that nowadays we have is the fact that we can create content without showing your face. So you can actually do that. You can put tips and all the stuff, so you don't need to even to talk if you don't want to. Okay, so that's actually super, super powerful. And you can be helping a lot of people while you are actually earning money. The other cool thing about System.io that I really like is the fact that you can create your blog. You can click here and literally you can actually create your blogs. So as you can see, you have a lot of opportunities with Agoda, but you need to take into consideration that the convention is 5%, okay, or up to 5%, as you can notice here. So take that into consideration. Again, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. This is for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.